For outdoor enthusiasts, a reliable and efficient cooking system is essential, and this Camp Chef Ranger Roman 2 tabletop stove promises just that. Designed with the needs of campers, hunters, tailgaters, and fishermen in mind, this portable gas stove combines power, durability, and convenience in a compact package. In this review, we'll delve into the features, performance, and overall value of the Camp Chef Ranger Roman 2, providing an in-depth look at why it could be the perfect addition to your outdoor gear. One of the standout features of the Camp Chef Ranger Roman 2 is its compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 17 pounds, it's easy to transport and set up, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. Despite its lightweight, the stove boasts a durable construction, thanks to the cast aluminum burners that not only reduce weight but also enhance longevity. The sturdy build ensures that the stove can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, providing reliable performance in diverse conditions. The stove's compact dimensions make it easy to pack in your vehicle or carry to your campsite. The minimalist design doesn't compromise on functionality, ensuring that you get a powerful cooking experience without the bulk. At the heart of the Ranger Roman 2 are its two 17,000 BTU burners. These high-output burners provide ample heat for all your cooking needs, from boiling water to frying meats and vegetables. The burners are designed to distribute heat evenly, ensuring that your food cooks uniformly without hot spots. The powerful burners make the Ranger Roman 2 versatile enough to handle a variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full dinner, this stove can handle it with ease. The adjustable flame control allows you to fine-tune the heat to suit your cooking requirements, offering precision and control that is often lacking in portable stoves. Setting up the Ranger Roman 2 is straightforward, thanks to its included regulator and 5-foot hose. Connecting the stove to a propane tank is a simple process, and the sturdy knobs offer intuitive control over the burners. The ease of setup and operation makes it a user-friendly option for both seasoned campers and those new to outdoor cooking. The stove's controls are responsive and easy to adjust, allowing you to quickly change the flame intensity to match your cooking needs. This ease of use extends to the cleaning process as well. The stove's surface can be wiped clean effortlessly, ensuring that you spend more time enjoying your meal and less time on maintenance. Portability is a key feature for any outdoor cooking equipment, and the Ranger Roman 2 excels in this area. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport, whether you're heading to a campsite, a tailgate party, or a fishing trip. The stove's robust construction means it can handle the bumps and jolts of travel without any issues. Additionally, the stove's design includes features that enhance its portability. The foldable legs and compact form factor allow it to fit into tight spaces, making it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable cooking solution on the go. The Ranger Roman 2 is designed to perform well in a range of outdoor conditions. Whether you're cooking in windy weather or at higher altitudes, the stove's powerful burners and stable design ensure consistent performance. The wind-resistant design helps maintain a steady flame, even in challenging conditions, allowing you to cook without interruption. In practical use, the stove has proven to be reliable in various environments. Users have reported consistent performance in different weather conditions, highlighting the stove's versatility and dependability. The versatility of the Ranger Roman 2 makes it suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities. Whether you're camping in the backcountry, tailgating before a big game, or fishing by the lake, this stove provides the cooking power you need without taking up too much space. Its robust design ensures that it can handle the demands of outdoor cooking, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. Considering its features, build quality, and performance, the Camp Chef Ranger Roman 2 offers excellent value for money. It's priced competitively, making it accessible to a wide range of outdoor enthusiasts. The combination of powerful burners, durable construction, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor cooking experience. The stove's durability and performance ensure that it will provide reliable service for years to come, offering long-term value that justifies the initial investment. Conclusion: the Camp Chef Ranger Roman II tabletop stove is a standout option in the world of portable gas stoves. Its powerful burners, durable construction, and compact design make it an ideal choice for various outdoor activities. Whether you're an avid camper, a dedicated hunter, a tailgating enthusiast, or a weekend fisherman, this stove offers the performance and convenience you need. The ease of use, coupled with the stove's portability and robust build, ensures that you can enjoy a high-quality cooking experience wherever your adventures take you. With the Ranger Roman II, Camp Chef has delivered a reliable and efficient cooking solution that stands up to the demands of the great outdoors. Invest in the Camp Chef Ranger Roman II tabletop stove and elevate your outdoor cooking game. With its combination of power, durability, and portability, this stove is sure to become an essential part of your outdoor gear collection. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.